Hello all, welcome to Grade 4 Science Chapter 5, Session 4. In today's session we will see different types of energy. So let's start with some pictures. Let's see and identify the process that is happening in those pictures, right? Now, what did we see? We have seen something. So I would request you to relate these pictures with the different types of energy like solar energy, wind energy, physical energy, magnetic energy, and etc. And if you are able to relate the energy with different pictures related to it, give yourselves a thumbs up, right? So now let's start with the concept. Let's learn. Now we need energy to do different work, and there are different types of energy. Why do we need energy? We need energy to do different sort of work. Then there are different types of energies. Let's start with kinetic energy first. What is the definition of kinetic energy? The definition of kinetic energy states that the energy of the body due to its motion. The energy develops in a body because of its motion is called kinetic energy. For example, rolling ball, moving car, and flowing water. When a ball rolls, a certain sort of energy is developed in the ball because of its motion. So this energy is called kinetic energy. Similar is the case with moving car and flowing water, right? So this is the examples of kinetic energy. Then we have potential energy. Now potential energy. Energy is stored in a body due to its position or height. Is called potential energy. Example, water stored in a dam has a high potential energy. Why? Because of its position. How? Now I'll tell you. The water at the dam is placed at a higher position, and when it falls down, right, what does it do? It rotates the turbine. So this potential energy of water helps the water to rotate the turbine to produce the electricity. So this type of energy of water is called potential energy. It's not just related to water, it can be with anything, right? So this is what we call potential energy. Now mechanical energy. The sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy is called potential energy. For example, a moving car has mechanical energy due to its motion, and compressed spring stretched rubber bands have mechanical energy due to the energy stored in its position. So it has got both kinetic and potential energy, because of which the moving car has a mechanical energy. Then we have something called heat energy. One of the most important form of energy is heat energy. We get heat energy from the sun and from burning fuels. We use heat energy for cooking food, moving railway engines or engines, heating water, and even our homes, right? So heat energy is the common source of energy. We use it in our daily life. To cook food, we use heat energy. We get this energy from the sun and burning the fuels, right? So this is called heat energy. Then there is something called electrical energy. The other type of energy is called electrical energy. The energy that we get from electricity is called electrical energy. Electrical energy is used by electrical gadgets such as speakers, laptops, mobile phones, fans, irons, etc. Right? So this is the example of electrical energy. Then there we have light energy. We get light from some of the natural sources of energy such as sun, moon, star, as well as man-made source of light such as candles, bulbs, etc. Right? So this is called light energy. Then we have sound energy. It is the energy that is produced when object moves upward or downward at a great speed. So this is called sound energy. When energy is produced when some object moves upward or downward at a high speed or a great speed, the energy so produced is called sound energy. Example, when a violin is being played, as we press its string, they vibrate and produce sound. So this is the example of sound energy. Then we have chemical energy. This energy is stored in the food we eat or in oil and coal and even batteries that we use in our cars or toys. For example, by burning coal, the chemical energy stored in the coal gets converted into light and heat energy. It is also used to generate electricity, right? So chemical energy is the energy which is stored in the food we eat or in oil and coal and even batteries that we use in our cars or toys, right? An example I have already explained it to you. So these are the types of energy that we have seen. Now let's quickly check how many of us have understood the concept. And to understand our understanding level, or to check our understanding level, we have certain activities. The activity is identify whether the activity given below use heat energy or not. Right? Yes, if the activity uses things or things are using heat energy, and write no if they are not using heat energy, and show your response by your play cards. Now the first image, the second image, the third image, the fourth image, you have to see these images and you have to check whether in these pictures heat energy is being used or not, and you have to answer in yes or no with the help of your play cards. Now related to the above mentioned picture, you should get some response, and in first image you should get yes as a response. Why? Because heat energy is being produced. Similarly, in second image, heat energy is being produced. In third picture, heat energy is not being produced, and in fourth picture, yes, heat energy is being produced. Right? Now, based on the concept that we have gone through, let us check our understanding level with the help of some questions. Show thumbs up for true statement and show thumbs down for false statement. The statements are: we use sound energy for cooking food. The second statement is gadget like bulbs, fans and light works using light energy. The energy of a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Next statement is water stored in a dam would have high potential energy. Fifth statement is mechanical energy is defined as the sum of kinetic plus potential energy. And last statement is by burning coal, the chemical energy stored inside it converts to heat and light energy. Now we should get some response related to the above mentioned questions, and the response should be: we use sound energy for cooking food. It should be false because we use heat energy. Then gadgets like bulbs, fans and light work using light energy. True or false? True. Then the third statement is the energy of the body due to its motion is kinetic energy. Is it true or false? It should be true. Water stored in a dam would have high potential energy. False. Mechanical energy is defined as the sum of kinetic and potential energy. True. By burning coal, the chemical energy is stored inside it converted into heat and light energy. Completely true. Now let us assess ourselves where do we stand in terms of this concept related to this particular session. And to assess our level or understanding level, we have some questions, and the questions are: dash is the energy of boiling water. Second question is dash is the energy contained in water stored in the water tank. Third question: dash is the energy that helps to charge the battery of the mobile phone. Fourth question is dash is the energy that helps in flying kites. And fifth, dash is the energy of a moving bus. Or some questions. Let's see where we stand. So to check that, we have few questions. The first question is define mechanical energy. Second question is how is sound energy produced? The third question is what is wind energy? The fourth question is how heat energy is produced, and the last question is write 5 different types of energies. Right? I hope that you would be able to answer these questions because I have explained the concept related to these questions to you in detail, right? So I hope you would be able to answer these questions. So students, what are the skills that we worked upon in this particular session? We have worked upon on your comprehension skills, observation skills, and analytical skills. So we have covered these 3 skills in this particular session. So thank you very much for your time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.